So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's vlog, I am going to do a quick review about sa mga ginagamit kong facial wash. And disclaimer lang guys, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share yung mga nagamit ko na and currently what I'm using right now na mga facial washes. So, yung iba dyan patapon na. Kaya, that's one of the reason bakit ako nagbo-vlog today. And dapat is mag-jogging ako, but sabi ko, may sugat kasi ako sa paa. So, baka, matrigger lang yung sugat ko. Kailangan matuyo siya within this month. I mean, ayoko kasing tumatagal yung sugat sa aking paa. So, yun, lumalayo na tayo ng topic. So, again, disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. Meron din ako ditong facial wash na na-review na. Actually, gusto ko siyang i-review isa-isa. Kaya lang sabi ko, parang it's a wasting of time. Pwede naman siyang gawin, i-review ng mabilisan in just one vlog. So, yun na nga, wala na nating patagalin. So, first is itong Shiseido facial wash. So, this clarifying cleansing foam is good for mixed oily skin. So, yan siya guys. Para sa akin, effective siya when I have a pimples. Natutuyo siya somehow. I don't know actually kung ano yung meron dito, kung ano yung main ingredients niya. Kasi nakuha ko lang ito na sample eh. So, ito siya guys. Yung original price nito, I mean original size, medyo may kamahalan. But, nung tinry ko siya, sabi ko, maganda pala siya. Pero nakasulat dito for all skin types. Pero parang sinabi nung BA or beauty specialist na this is mainly for parang troubled skin. Ayun, kasi meron pa yata silang ibang cleanser na I don't know, I'm not so sure. Hindi naman na kasi ako BA nito eh. So, yan. Ito yata yung lagi nilang dinidemo na binapabula. So, yon. Next one is, this is one of my favorite. Yung unang empty bottle nito, pinapon ko na. Kasi sabi ko, ang dami ng kalat dito sa apartment. So, this one is by CosRX Salicylic Acid Daily Gently Cleanser. So, it has parang 0.5% salicylic acid. So, si salicylic is good for drying pimples, and alam ko meron siyang anti-inflammatory parang skills. I forgot the term. It's a kind of anti-inflammatory. So, talagang kapag yung salicylic is, it helps to dry out pimples. Kaya, hindi rin siya suggested na gamitin. I mean, yung salicylic serum, hindi siya suggested gamitin araw-araw. So, kaya, tinan nyo, ito, 0.5 lang ang meron dito sa cleanser na to. And this is one of the best sellers sa CosRX, guys. And itong ganito kaliit is, I think it's 225. Medyo may kamahalan, oo, but it's worth it. So, kung mapapansin nyo, talagang sinisimot ko yung mga cleanser. Kasi when I started using facial cleanser nung nasa Sephora ako, kasi syempre meron kaming beauty allowance. Actually, dati diba sabon lang, kasi nga nagtitipid tayo, bakit hiwalay pa yung sabon sa mukha, sa katawan. And ayun, nung lumaki ko, nung nakapag-abroad ako, na-realize ko, maganda pala yung, meron nga hand soap, pero sa kamay, solid lang yung yung bar soap ang ginagamit ko. Sometimes, bibili ako ng hand soap kapag nakakaluwag-luwag. And then, I used to my body, body wash or body soap. And then, sa face ko nga, talagang I tried a lot of, different kinds of facial wash. The next na one is itong si Senka, the Perfect Whip and Acne Care. So, okay din siya. It has salicylic acid, I think. And then, may Kyoto Chamomile. So, hindi ko nang iisa-isahin o gagamay-gamayin yung mga ingredients, but it has also salicylic acid. And this is 129, I think. Yung malaki is nasa 500 plus. I'm not so sure ha. Ay, mabuti na lang may mga ganitong sizes kasi it's good for yung mga nagta-travel. And then next one is, ito sisimutin ko din to, si Nivea Whiff Home Fair and Glow facial wash, and it has a 0% alcohol. And then meron siyang Hokkaido Rose for gentle or caring cleanser. Yan. Yun yung one of the ingredients niya. So, sisimutin din natin siya. May laman-laman pa. And then, this one is one of my favorite. Hindi na ako bumili uli. Nireview ko lang siya. This is from BCL or Momopuri Cleansing Wash. And it has, ano ba meron ito? Peach ceramide water and lactobacillus or yung prebiotic na sinasabi. Prebiotic is good for the skin kasi parang it's or it's an ingredient to fight aging. So, may anti-aging siya effect, guys. And then, ito rin, sisimutin ko rin to. Innisfree Brightening Pore Facial Cleanser. It is also one of the bestseller kay Innisfree na facial cleanser yan. Meron siyang Jeju Halabong Daily Screen Bright. So, it's a brightening, pore clarifying, and then also it's hydrating. So, it's very gentle on the skin. And then, this is Korean brand. Yan. Eto, guys, Japan. Korean. I forgot to mention before. This is Japan. And then, Sanka Japan. Nivea is a German brand. Yeah, for all you know. Last but not the least, this is one of my favorite. Halos lahat favorite ko. Pero ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. I mean, napaka-gentle ng scent niya. And then, although, sabi nung BA, I can use it every day. But, it has a bamboo clarifying beads. Meron siyang may parang bamboo extract, vitamin E, provitamin B5. Pero yung niya, ewan ko kung ano yung beads niya it's gently exfoliate. It is advisable to exfoliate the skin once or twice a week. Ito naman, sabi naman niya gentle, pero I don't use it every day kapag may mga beads kasi it's kinda over anong tawag nito? Parang over strip yung skin ko. So, iniiwasan natin masira ang ating skin moisture barrier. So, this is from Cetaphil Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Alam niyo guys, lagi sila nag-i-increase ng price every month. And then, napapabili lang ako actually kapag naka 40% off sila. And then, first time nila yata nag-50 off. I don't know what's the reason. Sabi nila kasi magpapalit daw ng packaging. Pero, after that, tas na nag 40%, madalang na silang mag-discount. Pero, sabi ng friend ko, naka-discount daw ito usually sa SNR store. So, I think that's it my vlog for today. Yan yung mga favorite cleanser ko. Kasi nga, magtatapon ko na yung mga walang laman and sinisipag ako mag-vlog today. And as you can see, I just came from work, kaya meron pa akong makeup. Sabi ko, might as well na I use this opportunity para mag-vlog. And napansin ko walang ganong dumadaan na eroplano. Today is what? Today is Saturday. Parang walang ganong flight. And yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you on my future vlogs. Bye guys!